So it's May 21st and I have a few really early strawberries. These were transplanted from my larger pots into smaller pots. They were in larger pots along with my big trees. I was trying to share spacing, didn't work very well. So they are in their own pots and here they are. This is Earliglow, and my baby's gonna have his first fresh strawberry. Come back here, baby. Yum, 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 come here. Yum, yum. Well, before he gets to eat it, I'm gonna take a quick bite. Oh, so good. I miss this so much. Okay, so let's see what baby thinks, okay? We'll go up. I'll go right to the baby. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Anger. So my baby doesn't speak English, okay? They always seem to talk very well learning English here, but they tend to not speak any of my Vietnamese language. So my baby first language is Vietnamese, so I hope you don't mind. I speak to him in Vietnamese. Ăn đi con. Nhâm nhâm. Ăn con. Ăn. Ăn đi. If he drops it on the floor, I'm gonna cry because I wanna eat it. Okay, now he's just like pointing to birds and being distracted outside instead of eating his strawberry. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ăn đi con. Nhâm nhâm. Ăn đi nè. Nhâm 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 nhâm. Okay. Okay, how about trả lại nha. So good. He's like, okay. Yum. Now he eats it. He waits till I finish it. Then he's like, this is so good. Apparently, he has an appetite for just the strawberry leaves. You know, like, the strawberry leaf is just wonderful. So basically, during this season, we have a sweet tart, very